In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com. If you're brand new to Monday.com, think of it as a flexible workspace where you can plan projects, track tasks, and collaborate with your team all in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focus on the two most important actions you need to get going: creating your first board, and then adding content and inviting your team. Let's start by building your first board. A board is basically your main workspace for a project or process. To create one, look over to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. In that sidebar, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says New Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to set up a fresh space to organize your work. Next, you'll be asked to give your board a name. This can be anything that clearly describes what you'll use it for. For example, you might type something like Project Tracking. Try to pick a name that your team will instantly recognize, so there's no confusion later on. Once you've typed in the name, click the Create Board button. At this point, you've laid the foundation. You now have a dedicated place where all your tasks, updates, and team communication for this project can live. Now let's add content and bring your team into the board. Inside your new board, look for the option that says Plus Add. This is how you create a new item, which you can think of as a task, to-do, or piece of work you need to track. Click Plus Add, then type in a short, clear description for that item, such as Prepare Project Timeline or Review Client Feedback. Once the item is created, you'll see it appear as a row on your board. To update details about that task, click inside any cell in the row. For example, if you have a status column, click the cell under Status for that item and choose the value that best represents where that task stands, like Working on it or Done. Updating these cells keeps everyone informed without long email chains. Finally, to collaborate with others, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Invite button. From there, you can add the teammates you want to work with on this board so they can see the tasks, update statuses, and stay aligned with the project.